Hi everyone, and in this video, pakita sa inyo paano tayo makapag-deposit sa Vantage Markets. So first is of course kailangan meron tayong account, no? Meron tayong Vantage Markets account, nakapag-create na tayo dyan, and also nakakreate tayo ng live trading account. And then from there, just go here sa ating uh, from home. May mga tabs dito, home, account, funds, trade. Makita nyo dito, yan, select nyo lang yung trading account niyo na gusto nyo lagyan. And yan, lagay nyo lang kung magkano. This is in USD, ha? And from here, yan, so by the way, if you go to funds, you can do all the transactions you want. Yan, so you can deposit, withdraw, and so kung gusto niyang kunin or gusto niyang mag-partial withdraw from your profits, then you can do so from here sa funds. And also, if you have other live account, you can transfer between accounts. So from one live trading account, or you want to fund the copy trading account, then you can do so by transferring your account within Vantage. And so from here, yan, lagay nyo lang, then continue. Yeah, these are the options. And primarily, you can use GCash and banks. Yan. So with GCash, just click this and then click continue. And then, ito na yung makikita nyo. Yan. Summary. And then, click nyo lang yung pay now. Yan. So since naka USD, i-convert nyo na yan. Yan. So from there, just click the app if you're using the mobile phone, if you have GCash, and then or just uh, scan the QR. Ayan, so lagyan na natin 200. Okay, so from here, meron ding other options, so yung banks and USDT. Yeah, so these are cryptocurrencies, no? So pinakamababa dyan is of course TRC20, and so if you have your cryptocurrencies, you can fund this using those. And Skrill, Neteller, Bybit, Maya. You can also use Maya and credit card. Yan. And Philippine Pure Payment, Apple Pay, pwede rin, no? Yan. Or you can just select this, and this. Yan, naka-category na yan. Yan. If you want credit card, then just click credit card here. Yan. Pag banks, again, it will be converted, and then click pay now. Ayan, so ulit lang. Ayan, so meron ding ayan, no, cryptocurrency. Okay, so from this cryptocurrency, just copy this and then paste it in your other cryptocurrency wallet, no, para ma-transfer. Ayan, so from there, since hindi na siya kailangang dumaan ng local currency, yan, USD na siya. Hindi na siya kino-convert. Okay. So you can just scan this using your cryptocurrency wallet or use the copy paste method. Ayan. So enter the amount you want to deposit in your cryptocurrency wallet app. Okay, so click nyo lang rin yan. Okay, so that's how easy it is to deposit or to fund your Vantage Markets account. And also, ayun nga, no, it will take just a few minutes or even seconds nga to fund your account. So very easy lang, and talagang subok na natin to na napakabilis. The same thing with withdrawals, no? So talagang mabilis yung pag-process nila. Okay? So there are times na yun nga, natatakot kayo sa maintenance or nagkakaroon ng platform um, lag, no? So very minimal 'yon. Uh, very rare din na mangyari. Okay? So any issues with these, no? You can just uh, maximize yung chat support, and also you can email them. So very fast lang rin yung pag-response sila, and it can be resolved very very fast. Also another thing, kapag ka nag-deposit kayo using certain method like for example GCash, let's say 200, no? So pag nag-deposit kayo using GCash, pag nag-withdraw kayo, yun muna yung unang-una mo fulfill. So marami nagkaka-issue dyan. So make sure na gamitin nyo yung own GCash ninyo. So, from 200, nag-deposit kayo and nag-withdraw kayo 100, it will go to your GCash. And the same thing until ma-fulfill nyo yun. And then, from there, you can choose na from wherever you want yung withdrawal yan. So, ayun lang. That's it for our how to deposit and withdraw here in Vantage Markets. Thank you so much for watching. You have a great day. To deposit. And so